class 6th, chapter numbers. So we are using the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are called Hindu Arabic symbols. We call it as numbers. The whole world are using this system of numbers to represent these numbers. This is called Hindu Arabic symbol. We also use another one, that is Roman symbols. So this is called first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, so on. This representation, the representation of these symbols are called Roman symbols, and we will be reading as first, second, third, fourth, like that. The numbers which we use always are Hindu Arabic symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. These are called digits also. They are called digits also. So forming a number like this 213, the Indo-Arabic symbol that are used in this number are 213, and this can be read as 213, 213. So this is called numeration. Using numerical numbers, forming a number is called numeration. Now let us see the forming of a number. For 6th class, you should know the 5-digit number. Take any 5-digit number, 5, 4, 7, 8, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. This is a number consists of 5 numbers, 4, 7, 8, 3, 5. So this is called, you can read this as, how do you read this? Now say this, in the units place you have 5. This is units place. So this is 3. This is units tenths place. This is 8. This is hundreds place. So this is 7. So this is thousands place. And this is 4. This is 10,000s place. So this is the way of forming a number. A 5-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have in thousands, we have 47. This is also in thousand place. This is also in thousands. So 47,835. 47,835. This is the way of reading a number. So the number system which we are learning are base 10. Though it is not explained in your textbook, you need to know what is base 10. So we take 10 as a unit. It is more convenient to take 10 as a unit because we have 5 fingers in the right hand side and 5 fingers in the left hand side. When you count, you are getting 10. So most probably the mathematicians or the primitive man in the olden days, they might have taken base 10. What does it mean? Now see here. So writing this, so 5 into 1 units place, 3 into 10 tens place, so plus 8 into hundreds place, 10 into 10, so plus 7 into 74, 7 into 10,000, 10 into 10 into 10, so 7,000. Now it is 47. So here it is 4 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 5. So you will be finding all tens because we are learning base 10 system. Base 10 system. So if you observe, this also can be modified. This also can be modified. So this is 47,000. Suppose if you take 47 put together, 47,000. 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10, 10 cube. Plus 800. 100 means 10 square. 10 into 10, 10 square. 10 is multiplied by itself twice. Plus 3 into 10. 10 to the power of 1. So 5 into 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is 1. Any power, any number to the power 0 is 1. 10,000 to the power 0 is 1. 1,75,000 to the power 0 is 1. So 10 to the power 0 is 1. You will be learning more the mechanism or the principle involved in 10 to the power of 0 becomes 1 in future classes. So just you remember what we call roughly 10 to the power of 0. Any power to the 0 is 1. Now if you observe this number, you will be finding all tens. So it is called base 10 system. Base 10 system. So whenever you want to write a number or whenever you want to read a number, 5-digit number, so units place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place is more important. For example, how do you write a number, for example? So units place, you take like this, one column like this. Let us take this. So this is units, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000s. So units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s. So now here, for example 7 1 0 0 3, you take this number, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, Yes. So now here, if you observe carefully, you will be finding zeros in 100 place and tens place. How do you read this? You can read this 71,003. This can be read as 71,003. 71,003. Now, there is one exercise which you will have to do and practice at home. And if you have any doubt or something else, you can contact me by number. So, now, form the numbers. Form the numbers. Write the numbers. For example, you take page number 13. Page number 13. So, example 2. Example 2. You have two problems, 1 and 2. Please do these two problems at home. We shall see in the next class. Thank you.